Hey guys, welcome to Raw Customs. I'm your host, Patrick Rapolo, and we are back on the Jeep mods. This episode, we're going to be covering how to add some decals to your vehicle. Now, if you're like me and you like to customize your vehicle and set it apart from the other vehicles on the road that look just like yours and want it to stand apart, one of the cheapest and easiest methods for this is to add vinyl decals to your vehicle. Now there's lots of companies out there that you can purchase these from. There's even some that will custom print and design these things for you, and that's a great route to go. Now for my decals, I actually use my laser cutter to cut them out, but you don't need a laser cutter to do that. In all honesty, a plotter cutter would actually be better to cut vinyl. Something like a Cricut machine, or I believe there's a Silhouette, something along those lines. If you're interested in doing this kind of stuff yourself, I would look in that direction, do a little research on those machines and see what you can come up with. Now the vinyl I'm using is actually made by Vivid, guys. It is a actual car wrap vinyl, so it has the air release technology in it. So when you lay it down onto your car, you can get all those nasty air bubbles out and make everything nice and smooth. Now the vinyl I actually bought from Amazon. It actually comes in lots of different colors, and you can order it in different sizes depending on how much material that you're going to need. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. Now for the transfer film, I like to use something clear. In my case, I just picked up some clear shelf paper from Walmart, guys. The transfer paper being clear allows you to see through it and line up your sticker just right before you lay it down. Alright guys, so check out the video. I hope it gives you a few ideas, maybe helps you out a little bit. Give it a watch, let me know what you think. All the stickers for this project were cut out using a laser cutter. To transfer the stickers, I like to use a clear peel and stick shelf paper. I like to cut the transfer film a little larger than the sticker itself. Then I'll tape down the sticker onto a clean surface to hold it in place. On the transfer film, you can remove the backing by using a couple of pieces of tape at the corner of both sides and then peeling the back away. I like to peel the backing down about 4 or 5 inches and then fold it down. Then you can stick the film down at the top of your sticker and then lay it down over your sticker a little at a time while pulling the backing away. Then you'll want to rub over the sticker to make sure the transfer film is stuck down to the sticker itself. Next, you'll want to clean and dry the surface where you're going to be laying down your decal. Next, you'll want to figure out the placement for your decal. Then you'll want to remove around 1 inch of the backing from one of the edges. Then line up your decal and stick down the transfer film. Once you're happy with your placement, pull the decal back, leaving the transfer film stuck to your surface, and partially peel the backing off. Make sure that the decal is stuck to the transfer film as you start to peel the backing away. Then you'll want to rub in a back and forth motion to stick your decal down. You'll want to slowly remove the backing as you lay your decal down. For small decals with lots of pieces, I like to use my fingers. However, you could use a squeegee for this if you prefer. I recommend pulling the film at an angle to keep from pulling up the decal below. On large solid stickers, I like to spray down the area as well as the back of the sticker itself. On these sections, you'll want to peel off the entire backing and then lay the sticker in place. And with the water barrier in between your surface and the sticker, this will allow you to move your sticker around and line it up in place. Once you have your sticker lined up, you can use a squeegee to rub across it and remove the water from underneath it. You can also place decals onto your base stickers. Just make sure that the bottom sticker is 100% stuck down before you start to apply your overlay sticker. I recommend using some tape to hold your decals in place. This allows you to step back and have a look at it to make sure you're happy with its position. Once you have your decal adjusted, you can use tape at the top and side edges as reference marks to allow you to line your decal back up in place. Once you have your reference marks laid out, it's just a matter of repeating the process of applying your transfer film and sticking the decal in place. I came up with a pretty big design for the hood, so to make it easier on myself, I actually removed the hood and moved it onto a table. Then I laid out all the pieces for my decal and laid out reference marks so I could keep everything lined up. On the large solid pieces, I sprayed water onto the surface and to the back of the sticker to allow me to move them around and get them lined up. Then a squeegee was used to remove the water from underneath them. I laid down the Wolverine on a dry surface. Then it was just a matter of laying down each piece one at a time, making sure to keep everything lined up.